Hello, today we're putting together where I'm going to do a video. They're both identical, those two boxes you see there. It is a 5-drawer tall dresser with wood grain texture. It says it's made by Ebern Designs and I got it from Wayfair. I'll put the link below. It can hold up to 66 pounds safely on top. It is, as I'll show you, 45.3 inches tall, only 23.6 inches wide, which is pretty small, and 15.7 inches deep, which is also kind of small for me. One of the first things I do before opening up a box is check to make sure there's no damage on the box, meaning later there'll be damage on the furniture, and then you have to waste time arguing with whatever company you purchased it from. Here you can see by the shape there, they hit something, they landed on something, probably removing it from the truck. Pretty good, but good thing, didn't damage anything inside. So that's one thing to always keep in mind. To open the box, I would recommend take a look at this. This is the way I would recommend opening it without damaging anything, and also at the same time making it easier for you to remove all the items. You will see a tape. Again, if you look at the top there and the way the box is shaped, how to open up for easy access. Of course, it is always recommended before putting it together that you always check to make sure you received every part. I have never had an issue with that. The only thing I've had in the past with this type of furniture is a bolt, a screw, a clip. It's not perfect from manufacturer, and they have no extra, which is always a big stupid thing for them not to at least include one extra bolt size or nut or whatever. But yeah, it's always recommended to do that. Again, I never do. Okay, the first thing I don't like is I've built a lot of furniture in my years. This is very cheap. Of course, now the price that I got it from makes sense. The retail price that they had it advertised before the discount does not. So if you have not purchased it yet, there's a lot of stuff to put together. I mean, there are a lot of pieces to put together. So hopefully you have a good screwdriver, hopefully one of those easy handheld ones, because if you do it by hand and you don't do this every day, your wrist is going to be tired tomorrow. Tools. It looks like so far from what I've read and looked at, as far as the parts, all you're going to need is one of these. So you can do it with this a lot easier. You can do it with one of these or one of these. So just basically any Phillips head screwdriver should work. Okay, I don't like to bitch and complain. This is okay again for the price that I paid for this, but it's definitely very cheap. This was like ½ inch, if that, thick, and I don't think I'll be using this since this is so close to the end, and this is such a coarse thread. Any little mistake I make could go ahead and break that little piece that you see there. Also in the instructions, I guess hopefully you're following along, the way that they have it, unless you pay really close attention, you could be putting things in the wrong side. But again, for the price, it's okay. Okay, so again, continuing on step 1, you're going to put 5 of these on. I just noticed after the last comment that you really can't make a mistake because the hole next to it is a little bigger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this piece happens to be labeled number 2. Okay, on piece number 1, there's 4. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is piece number 3. Same thing, 5. Where's my finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number 3 is the opposite of number 2, the first one we did, because it's the other side of the dresser. Okay, just finished piece number 5. See, very small. is the one that goes here in the back. So 1, 2, 3 of those on piece number 5. Okay, just finished piece number 7. It's a long skinny one. There's 2 of them, 7 and 8 look identical side by side. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one here especially, be very, very careful. I mean, as I was tightening it down and holding it, I could feel right here the wood expanding. So this one right here, be very careful when you're tightening down, not to over tighten it too much. Okay, so this is piece number 8. As I said, very similar, just the opposite of number 7. 1, nothing, nothing. 2, 3, nothing, nothing. 4, and then 1 on the side. Same thing, be very careful when you're tightening that one down. Okay, next you want to get 5 of the pieces labeled number 9. They all look identical, and you may be wondering the distance here is the same, but this right here is not. So where you see the biggest distance here, this goes towards the front or the end that has a finished end and has the holes in it. Okay, so go ahead and put that there. You will see the pre-drilled hole there will be for that H, be a little bag name H. You grab that and make sure before you tighten it that gently you just put the screw in there. Show you here, you just put the screw in and it comes out, and then you can go ahead and line that up there so that it's perfect in there and it'll be lined up and leveled and all that good stuff.